beautiful gems, it's Synolve and welcome to my channel. So be sure to subscribe and like, and please comment and hit that notification bell so that you can receive notifications of all of the wonderful, amazing content that we put out over here on this channel. So I do get ready with me's and I do everyday glam. We talk about our clothing. I do thrifting. We have fun over here. We do lifestyle, and we just really have a lot of fun. So today I'm participating in a challenge with Christina, the DIY mommy, and I definitely love for you guys to be a part of our channel and to join the family. So hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be updated on all of the amazing content that we put out on this channel. Alright, well, I'm participating, as I said, in a collab with Christina, the DIY mommy. I just love her. I've participated in a collab before, and excuse me, I'm cold. I've got a little something cold going on. So I hope you guys are taking care of yourself and taking care of your vitamins. I got up and took my vitamins today as well. Alright, so I'm participating in a collab with Christina, the DIY mommy, and the challenge is to organize something in our homes. And so today I'm organizing and tackling my hall closet. There it is. We've all got that linen closet, that hall closet that, you know, we throw everything in and push everything in and hope that everything fits. And so I'm the same way. So today we're going to tackle that. I went to Burlington already and I did a haul. I'll leave a link below, and bought some amazing towels from Burlington and Walmart. And so now I'm just going to put them in the closet and organize it. So it'll be great for our family to grab stuff, and great for guests when you guys come to visit, for you all to be able to go in the linen closet and get something out that you need. So here goes. You want to see what's in my linen closet? I know you do. Stay tuned. So here's the closet, and as I have been washing and doing the laundry, and our old towels have been coming up. I've just not replaced them, so that's why these empty spaces are here. And then here, of course, is family coming in and using. We've all been using these towels. Our kids have been home for the holidays, and there's some Christmas stocking there. And oh, I don't know, old bedding and pillow slip, old things that we don't even use anymore. So I'm just gonna get this all organized, all neat, all cleaned up. Gonna use my Clorox wipes, and wow, there's a shower curtain and some more bedding up there we don't use. So we're gonna tackle this, and we're gonna tackle this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of these things out. These are the things that are up here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these on down. Get these out of here. Just taking my Clorox wipes. Wiping everything down. So there's the completed linen closet. On top I have the larger towels, the bath sheets, and then this is a towel that hangs, it's an extra one that hangs in the guest bathroom to dry hands. Here, this is the blue that goes with the guest bathroom This is the white that goes with the master bathroom. These are the hand towels and the face towels. And then here are our toilet papers and some extra sheets. And the rest of our sheets for the bedrooms are in the top of the closet in the actual bedroom. So this is the finished product. Alright guys, well, I got hot doing this DIY. I love the closet. It looks so nice and luxurious. I feel like I'm at a spa for real. So I'm glad that I did this, and I hope that I gave you guys some ideas about how you can spruce up your bathroom and create this spa-like atmosphere simply with towels, but also how you can organize your linen closet. And so now I've got all this space in here and all that old stuff is out. Now time to go shopping and time to get some more new stuff, goodies. All right guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Remember to invest in yourself. You are amazing. You're important this year in 2018. Boo, it's all about you, and I love you so much. You are amazing. God's beautiful, precious, amazing gem. And so remember just how amazing, just how wonderful, and just how beautiful you are. Because you really are. And that's our gem inspiration tip for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much, Christina from the DIY Mommy, for hosting this collab. And I'm going to leave the links below. And please be sure to go out and check out Christina's channel and everyone who participated in this collab. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe and to like this video and leave me a comment below. Let me know what area you're working on, what area you're glamming up, what area you've got to organize that's a sore spot in your home. I'd love to hear it, and I'd love to continue the conversation. So for now, bye-bye, guys. Know how much I love you.